One of the problem is trying to keep up with different content and different videos and stuff like that, and always keep stuff ahead, but sometimes you have to move faster on other stuff. So we're going to get these off, get the rudder off. We're going to get us some preliminary measurements done here. We're going to take the rudder off. We're going to be welding blocks to it and stuff like that for our permanent mount, because those motors are going on permanently. So let's get to it. Well, so you can see from me, ladies and gentlemen, there's no time to rest. There's always something I got to do. There's always something to do. Clean the shop up with this one. Move this out, move that in. What we're going to do here is, if you didn't catch what I'm doing, I'm going to be welding these, I think, because of I'm trying to reduce as much drag as possible, because they won't sit side by side, because they're because of this area sticks out a little bit. I'm gonna have to put a block. I'm gonna cut them off right here. I'm welding another block on here the size of that, and we're gonna be bolting through on one side will be threaded, one side won't be threaded, and that'll be nice. Nice, neat installation, excuse me, and less drag. So that's it in a nutshell. We're going to be testing these. One of them makes a noise, which I don't doubt. And like I said, They've been on the boat now for several trips. And that's the reason because of the other ones, they got water in them, is the reason we're making these. So we get 2 screws, you pull the whole motor out, you spray it down, you hose it off, you clean it up, you let everything dry out, dunk it in water, fresh water, if you were in salt water, and then hose it down with Corrosion X or something like that. The motors are $12, $14 a piece. You could change the motor. You can buy 2 motors with you, bring them with you, go ahead, solder the Dean's connectors on them, and change your motor. You can literally pull a motor out of your fishing pack and put it in there on the shore if you had an Allen wrench. So that's kind of where I was wanting to go. Something that's reliable, stronger naturally. We're going to get the kayak back in here. We're going to suspend it level off the crane, and we're going to stick the motors in a 100 quart or 120 quart or whatever it is, 150 quart cooler I have. And I'm going to fill it up full of water, and we're going to, of course I'm going to do it, the rear end of the boat sticking out there, not in here, and we're going to cut them on and see what you do. We're going to have to come up with a new switch. In my last video, I posted the switch went bad because of a grain of sand. Just one little grain of sand, that's all, got in between there and there, and you can see it doesn't look that bad. And I kept it oiled, but it had one thick grain of sand that got down through the top. And when you push it, of course you're going to be on a beach, probably not the switch to have. So we're going to be doing something else with that. Hopefully a magnetic switch. And then that would be perfectly waterproof. So, but we're probably going to have to make one that high amp, because those particular motors there, what, 56 amp total pull with those props. So I'm changing the props, dropping the amps back down. When I get the kayak back in here, we'll start talking about gear and what have you. But I got a lot of work to do on these, cleaning and welding and drilling, tapping, stuff like that. Get the motors mounted good, because they're going on permanently. So pretty much that's it. Y'all have a good day. Hit like and subscribe. Be coming back at you.